Stay tuned to see how I upcycled these glass jars into craft supply holders. I started by adding this ribbon to 2 of my jars. On the first jar, I added the ribbon close to the bottom, using hot glue to secure the ribbon in place, and then wrapping the ribbon around the bottom of the glass jar several times to create layers. I repeated this process on the second jar as well, using pink ribbon this time, still hot gluing and securing the ribbon in place, but this time I used the ribbon on 2 different places on the jar, here at the top around the mouth of the jar, and also in the middle of the jar in between the words that are etched onto the glass. For the last jar, I'm using this last little bit of burlap ribbon that I have. You'll remember seeing this from our gratitude holder DIY that we did last week, which should be getting pretty full if you've been putting in your gratitude daily. But anyways, I'm using this last little bit of the ribbon to decorate this third glass jar, and again, we're going to attach the ribbon and secure it in place using hot glue. Take your time and be careful not to burn yourself, as the hot glue does seep through the burlap ribbon. The final step in our glass jar upcycling is to glue all 3 of your jars together. Now, of course, this step is up to you if you decide that you want to glue them together like I'm doing. Feel free. If you decide that you want to just leave each jar individual so you can move them about or utilize them how you want, everything is easily customizable with all of my DIYs. So do what feels right. But for me, as you saw, I added hot glue, making sure there was an ample amount to allow the jars to stick together. And I went ahead and glued my jars together where the ribbon and the burlap met, so it's on the inside. And here are our finished craft supplies holders. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. Make sure you hit that like button. I have so many subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend and turn on the bell for notifications. And I hate to throw them away fall is coming up. They can be repurposed. To make sure everybody is registered so many different things. So in the description box, I really love how this came out. There will be a link for you to go and register holders to vote. For like my paintbrushes is going to be my scissors, because I have so many pairs of scissors that I really hope for different DIY projects and make. And also I have these really cute glass writing markers, so that we can make this. Now that I think about it, I could have used in this project, but I wanted to keep it simple. Everybody feels comfortable existing. Leave me a comment down below. So if you're not registered tell me to vote, make sure you click the link your supply in the description box below. And as always, I love you guys so much wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.